guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel.
My YouTube channel.
It's mine.
She's leaving, so we will let her have her moment of self-importance.
So, how do you feel being welcome? So, first of all, welcome to Thought Vault.
Thank you.
How do you feel?
Thank you so much for having me here. It's such a pleasure.
Yeah.
I've been dreaming about this my
I
entire
know,
life.
I know. She's been wanting to. No, she's been wanting to be on this podcast forever. So I
Yeah.
thought, might as well.
This is classic projection, but yes,
No,
I'm so glad to be here.
I am so excited to be here also. It's been my dream. I feel like everything I've done in my life has led me to this moment.
Invisible string theory is so real, guys.
Yeah.
Based on that, I have one question.
hmm
How does it finally feel to be friends with me after the slowest burn of a friendship? We've known each other for over 5 years, but we've never been friends. We were classmates for 3 years, never friends.
Yeah.
And now, look at us.
I mean, I always thought you were my friend. I'm joking.
Let's,
I'm joking.
let's not go there. Let's not
What do you mean? What do you mean we've not been friends this whole time?
Don't ask questions you don't want answers to.
No, I think it's been in the making for such a long time. Actually, don't even think it's been in the making. Like it's not that we ever tried to be
Try to make it
friends.
work.
Yeah,
It was
yeah.
just there.
Yeah. I feel like it's just the whole thing, with the right person at the right
Right
time.
time.
We always talk about it romantically, but this is a great example of how that works like platonically also. We've lived in the
Yeah.
same city all our
All our
lives,
lives.
ran in similar social circles ish, knew each other's like friends, mutual friends, whatever.
Were in the same class, and then still like around
Yeah,
each other fairly.
yeah.
We were co-CRs
We were
for
co-CRs.
the last year, and that's how. Yeah, she stole my jacket.
It's actually
Making her high school varsity jacket dreams come true.
they're not fully true. I wanted to wear my boyfriend's jacket. I don't.
This is the best you can get.
Yes, which is no, it's kind of sad.
Itne mein itna hi milta hai, sorry. Be happy with what you have.
I'm trying.
For
Something I'm
that,
working on.
your boyfriend will need to be a good sportsman or like
Yeah.
actually achieve something in
or
life.
exist for that matter.
Yeah, okay, we're talking about hypotheticals. Okay, yeah, or
Yeah.
exist. Yeah.
Yeah, but hypothetically, my boyfriend's great with sports. Yeah,
As he should be.
yeah.
As he should be, because
yeah,
no, non-athletic people.
yeah. Exactly.
Bottles of choice. Kinley, Stanley. Can't afford that.
Me neither, actually.
Now that we're done with the whole introduction part, one question that I've really been meaning to ask you. I mean, I know about this in bits and pieces, obviously,
Mhm.
but for our audience, for your audience,
For my audience.
for your audience on your channel, how has been your experience with coming back to India, being here for Diwali, the whole
Uh-huh.
October?
Yeah. I feel
thing?
like I've been here a while now. So for everyone watching at home, I've been here 3 months now.
Yeah.
And it initially I was really dreading this trip because who needs to be back home in their parents' house for 3 months? Nobody. But I've actually had a very, very good time. A lot of its credit is to someone else in the car. We don't know who. Someone else is in this car, but we don't know who.
Bappa. It's Bappa.
It is Papa. My best friend, Ganesha.
Yeah.
Who do you think? No, but it's been a great time. And initially it was really bad because I was really going through it, through the dreads of the world and life. But I feel like it kind of turned around when Diwali sort of came in.
Yeah.
Like-
Diwali was quite eventful for both.
It was eventful. Right before Diwali, I took a trip also. That was quite fun. Um, and after that, it was Diwali, and it was October, so things are spicing up,
Spicing up.
spicing up. Hmm.
Well, talking about that, I am very interested in knowing your take on the October canon event thing. That the people that you meet,
Mm-hmm.
people to kya hi, the person that you meet, as in your case it is
People.
people, huh?
It's
The people that you meet in October, it's either really life changing in a good way, someone
Mhm.
who is meant to change the course of your life for the better,
Mhm.
or someone who is just going to be your worst heartbreak or your worst nightmare.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
what's it like? What was
So
that like? Your October events?
I had a good bunch of like I had one person October event. Sorry, I had one person October canon event last year,
Mhm.
and that was really something. But this year it was multiple people, and I genuinely like when I say this, I have like a I have a TikTok about this also. I genuinely thought there were going to be no October canon events this year. I was like, it's impossible. And I've had the most number of canon events this year,
This year,
like than
yeah.
any other year. Like the most number of people, new ones, old ones. Uh,
Interesting turns of events.
yeah,
Yeah.
very interesting tons of events. Like people I haven't spoken to in a year, people I haven't spoken to in a couple months, like everyone sort of coming back. And all of that genuinely, like it happened within the time span of like 3 to 4 days. Like within 3 to 4 days, suddenly everyone wanted me. So,
And why wouldn't they?
no,
I mean,
because
why
nobody's
wouldn't they?
wanted me in so long. And then suddenly in the 3 or 4 days towards
They
the
were
end of
just biding
October,
their time,
yeah,
waiting for a window.
everyone's like, I want you,
You,
you. Yeah, it was something.
yeah.
I wasn't, it's not been the worst heartbreak of my life in any shape or form. But it's been quite, yeah, life changing in the sense that my outlook towards life has changed since then. I've been humbled. I have been humbled, but I feel like they're so important for you, no?
Yeah.
Like such a good reminder of,
Okay.
yeah,
Keep it
yeah,
grounded.
of what life can be, or yeah,
It's a very real slap in the face. Like
yeah,
it just snaps you back to reality. Ki, okay, you're on this high because
yeah,
you're getting positive attention
yeah.
from good people, objectively good people.
Mm-hmm.
Um, they kind of perform well on your own checklist, so you are happy. But then God is like, nah, come back down,
Yeah.
come back down.
No, it's not what you think but also in a good way. So you could be in a rut for a really long time, and then
Mm.
suddenly October comes around, and you're this like hot commodity. And it's like a good reminder that this is who you are. Like remember who the fuck you are.
That is
Yeah,
exactly what happened with me
yeah,
because because I was living life basically on autopilot.
yeah.
I was doing a lot of things by myself because I didn't want to interact, or like
Hmm.
I also didn't have a lot of good options to. But then this girl came back into my life out of nowhere and actually changed the course of my life, the way I look at things, the way I look at myself. So there is some credit that I can give to someone else in the car as well.
We don't know
Not
who.
saying who, not saying who. Could be anybody. But yeah.
Yeah, no, that's fair because that's what happened with me. This October was all about like it was more like, do you remember who the fuck you are? Like why are you
Yeah.
forgetting that? Like you're literally you. What is wrong with you? So yeah, all in all, fun times.
That's the problem with people that you meet during this time of the year because you really want to be tight because it's winter and it's
Cuffing
it's cuffing
season.
season. All the
Mhm.
girls I need
I need a
big
big
boy.
boy. I would like a big boy
Oh,
actually. If big boy, if you're watching.
I can't. I was thinking of sending this to him.
No, you have to.
I can't send this to him. No,
I will send it to him.
no, he can't know that I'm talking about him behind his back. Like what? He's literally just a guy.
Yeah, he will
Ugh.
not get it.
Never mind. But wait, where,
Cuffing season.
where was I? Yes, it's cuffing season, and we all need
Big
someone,
boy. Yeah.
big boy. If you're
Yeah.
into that,
Yeah.
you are not.
I am.
Short kings.
Yeah, but I'm not opposed to tall boys either.
Yeah, fair,
Yeah.
fair.
And I'm
We don't discriminate here.
yeah.
Yeah.
I'm broadening my horizons. Because short kings who are 5'3" will just not work.
Nobody's asking you to be with someone who's 5'3", not shorter than you.
Mr. Brown.
Oh, yeah. No, we are sending you to your neighboring country only.
Yeah.
You're not having anything else here.
Yeah.
She
I-
is set. She is set. She just doesn't want to act on it.
I want to act on it. It's just lots of logistics there.
What logistic? It's one text. Just say hi.
I am.
Just say hi.
I've been thinking about happy birthday my way.
And then he
into
can
his
happy
life.
birthday you back a week later.
Yeah.
Oh, that's smart.
This is too much
actually
for
nice.
me.
ठीक है ना? He will not get that.
Yeah.
He will definitely not get that.
No, please don't. Or do. And then
Do
slide into my DMs
actually do.
before I can happy birthday my way into your life.
Cool.
This is Coffee with Karan.
Manifestation couch
Yeah.
right here.
Manifestation card.
I want to marry Ranbir.
No.
नहीं, वो तो-
But yes,
but that
let this be known.
we get the concept.
Yeah.
Anyways, coming back to my tangent about cuffing season.
Uh-huh.
That's the problem with people that you meet this time of year. You want them to stay, but they don't stay. It's really difficult to make them stay.
Yeah.
And I know this because, you know, the whole thing that I said about the October Canon event
Mhm.
is because it's so funny. The Canon event that happened with me this year
Mhm.
was at the same date. At this on the same date. Not even the same week or month, forget that. The same date when my ex and I started dating 5 years ago.
No way.
It was the same date.
No, the same date.
The exact same date.
Now that can be either really good or very risky.
Because the last one was so horrible. So this one has to be
Yeah,
good.
maybe this is like compensation.
Compensation, yes, because
For-
karma
yeah.
does exist.
Yeah.
But anyways, enough about me. We'll get into her canon events now. This was all I will share about my October canon event. That's all.
So I'm okay with that because I know more. You guys
Yeah, can't say that with a straight face.
sucks to be you.
Sucks to be me also right now because what the fuck? When you've been single for such a long time and then when you're like,
Yeah.
I don't know, it's I don't know, it's just weird. It's like talking in Greek.
No, I know. Yeah. I was talking to someone about this the other day, my mom actually. And I was telling her that, when you've been single for a long period of time, initially you want to believe everything people are saying, but then they lie. So then gradually you become this person who's like, yeah, that person must be lying.
Yeah, everybody's lying.
Yeah, that's what happened to me because this one of these canon events,
Yeah.
I went in with the thought process that this is definitely like a lie. You can't be this person, and then he made me believe that he is this person, and then it went south from there. Like it went really bad, which I'm just like, I didn't want to believe you in the first place.
Then why'd you build that up
Yeah.
like that? Then just be whatever
Yeah.
way you are. Just don't try to act a different way.
Yeah, just how hard is it to be honest? How hard can it possibly be? Apparently very hard,
Apparently very
especially
hard.
for Some guys out there.
Some guys out there. Ugh. Most guys out there,
Most guys,
actually.
yeah.
Because guys lie like it's second nature. They don't think
Yeah.
twice before lying. Like, they will lie about the most useless things.
Yeah.
Like, why? What was the point?
Yeah.
What?
I once knew someone who would lie to get a reaction and then instantly be like, oh, that was just a joke. And lies and jokes are not interchangeable.
No shit.
Mm.
So, anyways, long story short, हम दोनों की तरफ से I will sum it up. October canon events are just they mess with your head. Hers clearly didn't work out the way she expected. R.I.P. Let's not disturb the dead. And I'm very proud of her for just fut out.
Yeah, I did snap out of it very
Yeah.
quick.
Like
That's
there was no dragging
no
out.
big
There was no
It is
residue.
literally just boys.
It's literally just a guy
Or two.
or two or more actually. Never mind. Semantics. Anyways, talking about like now that we've discussed this, what would you say about dating today? Like in general, now that we've really gotten into how we met new people,
Mm-hmm.
but I mean in a more generic sense, like
And
on
I would love to. I
yeah.
just feel it's
That
a whole episode
Yeah.
on its own.
Yeah, that would be a whole other conversation.
Mhm.
Yeah,
That's
think-
a whole
yeah. Yeah, we can leave this for the next one.
Yeah.
Yeah,
we
we
can
will.
dig into it.
Yes, we will dig into this in part 2. So stay tuned.
Stay tuned. Bye everyone. Thanks for joining
Thanks for
me
joining me.
on my podcast.
This
Love
was
ya.
episode 20 of Thought World.
Part 1.
Part 1, let's say. We'll figure that out later.
We'll know.
Yeah.
We'll find it.
But yeah, episode 20 of Thought World.
Love
See
you.
See you in the next one.
Love you so much.
My God, what is with the love bombing?
You're my entire world.
Get a life. Bye.
Bye.